Welcome to the project demonstration of power management system for highways using RFID. So here the main application of this project is in order to save the power, we are going to off the street lights whenever there is no vehicle presence. So in our existing system, some locations we are using IR sensors to detect the vehicles or ultrasonic sensors to detect the presence of the vehicles. So that sensors will detect the not only the vehicles, if is there any animals or if is there any obstacles present in front of that sensors, then automatically the lights will be get switched on. So in order to eliminate that problem, so we are going to make use of this RFID tags. We are going to place this to the respective vehicles only. So we are going to place this RFID reader near the street lights. So whenever the vehicle is coming near to this RFID reader, so then this reader will read the RFID tag number and then it will inform to the PIC microcontroller. So based on that signal from the RFID reader, the microcontroller will switch on these street lights for certain duration, and after that automatically we are going to off the street lights. So here we have interface RFID reader at A0 pin of our PIC16F72 microcontroller and the street lights to control to on and off interface to the C7 pin through this transistor board. So as we know, the transistor will act as a switch. So here we are using BC547 NPN transistor to control the 12 volts power supply to this 12 volts LED. So the whole system getting power supply from this transformer. So just we are providing 230 volts AC to this transformer. So which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC. And here this regulator power supply board consists of 3 stages. One is the rectification to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and next capacitor to get the pure DC voltage from the pulsating DC. So there we will get the 12 volts. So this 12 volts is parallelly given to this transistor board, and next we need 5 volts power supply to this RFID reader and to microcontroller to make it run. So for that purpose we are making use of 7805 regulator. So 7805 nothing but it which will take the more than 5 volts and which will provide us the 5 volts constant DC power supply. So that's the main operating voltage. So when we provide that to this motherboard, so it will start reading input from the RFID reader. So this motherboard consists of 3 major components. One is the microcontroller, which is the main interfacing between the inputs and output module, and another is crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulses to the microcontroller. So the main purpose of this clock pulses is, so we have provided a set of instructions to read the inputs and control the outputs. So these instructions need clock pulse to be executed. So one clock pulse will be required for one instruction execution, so that we are providing 20 mega clock pulses per second. So controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second. So next, this is the reset switch to restart the microcontroller. If is there any hang was done, the system was not responding to the RFID reader or in inputs and outputs, so then to restart the microcontroller, just press and release, the system will restart. And this one is the power status indication, and this one is the program status indication. So let us see demonstration. Right, initially, right, this light will be on and off 2 times. Okay, so whenever any vehicle or any RFID tag coming near to this RFID reader, so this light will changes its status. So if it is on, it will go to the off. If it is off, it will enter into the on. And also when you show the tag, this light should blink. Then only the tag will be read by the RFID reader. You can see that. Right, so it blinks, and the lights will be on for certain duration and off. So we can see the status of LED also changes, means one task was completed. Again it will come into the on. So the process of street lights on and off for certain duration based on the RFID tag detection. Right. So if we show like this one, so we can see that there is no blinking on the RFID reader, means the tag was not detected by the RFID reader. So we can see that the LED should blink, then only is a proper action to be done.